Good morning, ma'am. I'm so happy to have you here, to see you, to meet you.
Same here, likewise, I may say. I was also eagerly waiting for this session. Thanks for giving me this opportunity and bringing me on board for your esteemed channel. So it is an
Ma-
honor for me, Lakshmi. Can I
Ma'am,
call you Lakshmi? You are
yes, ma'am.
Mahalakshmi, I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can very well call me Lakshmi, ma'am. I like it very much.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
So,
Before starting, yes, ma'am. I am so glad that see you are a great person. I know that I have watched so many of your videos, and you are actually just a polite and humble person, and you are praising me, ma'am, for that. I really feel very energetic after hearing all your words.
we people belong to same league, you know, because we all are human beings.
Yes. Yes,
And one
ma'am.
should treat the other one the similar way you want to be treated. I
Yes.
believe in this quote.
Yes, ma'am. So
Yes.
before starting, I would like to tell something about me, ma'am. Little bit about me. I'm Mahalakshmi from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and I was a lecturer and a banker. Now I quit my job and a mom to two kids. Recently, I have started my channel just for time pass. My daughter, she insisted me to just start channel, but now I consider this as my profession, passion, and everything.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now I can say you are a full-time YouTuber.
Yes, I have turned my life as a not only as YouTuber, ma'am, as a English learner, communicator.
Hmm. Will you give me a minute?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
small pet is knocking at the door. Let
Yes, ma'am.
me count him
Yes,
in.
ma'am.
Just a
Yes,
minute.
yes, yes.
Okay. This is my lovely pet. Yeah.
Ah. Okay, what is the name, ma'am?
Actually, are you familiar with the word aloo?
Aloo means
Aloo,
potato.
potato.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can say it is a staple food of all the Punjabis. All the Punjabis, they
Okay.
relish paranthas in the morning, and aloo parantha is the always comes at the top.
Top.
Why this pet has been named as Aloo? Because when my husband brought this small pet, little one, at home, it looked like a potato, like too fluffy, and
Oh,
legs were not visible. And my daughter was on the phone call. She is not here, is far away. So she was on the call at that very moment, video call, and my husband entered and he just opened the that carton or container or the box just to surprise my daughter. The moment he opened the this container, so it was out, and immediately my daughter reacted, "Oh, aloo! It looked like aloo." So
aloo.
since then we started naming this pet as Aloo.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me switch off my
Yes.
notifications. They will keep on disturbing me again and again. So hopefully doesn't create any disturbance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So
I
you
would
want
like
to,
to. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am. Yes,
me to
yes,
introduce
ma'am.
myself?
Yes, ma'am. For
Yes,
viewers
yes.
and everyone. I know, ma'am. But
I'm Kavaljit. Okay, I hail from Jalandhar. Jalandhar is a small, beautiful city of Punjab. And my city, I would like to mention, otherwise I used to forget, it is famous for having the maximum number of hospitals and providing medical facilities in whole Asia.
oh,
One thing, and my city is also famous as a hand tool industry, rubber industry, and it has contributed a lot in the field of sports. Many renowned personalities of the past days and the current personalities, they belong to my city. This is all about my paraphernalia, you can say. So for me as a person is concerned, I am basically from the core of my heart an academician, but recently turned an entrepreneur. I have opened up my cafeteria, and for the last more than 2 years I've been working on my English speaking practice. I'm doing, making efforts, not the communication skills, especially on English. I'm
hmm.
working on at the moment.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine.
yes.
So I have some questions, ma'am. Couple of questions. Shall I proceed, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure. You may go
Yes,
ahead.
yes, ma'am. So, what do you think is the difference between being fluent in English and being proficient in it, ma'am? Is there any difference, ma'am?
Fluent, proficient. Actually, I think it is all subjective, and
Okay.
it varies from person to person and from place to place.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you like, if you take the example of someone who hails from Punjab, Punjabis, they are very, you can say, bold and open and do everything loudly. So
Okay.
when they converse, whether in their own regional language, they are always louder as compared to others.
Mm.
So for Punjabis, it's something which is not the cup of tea of majority of the persons. Though every second youth is in the process of moving abroad.
Okay, ma'am.
For Punjabis, this Canada, this US, Australia is a kind of second home. It has become a second home or their
Oh,
dreamland for them. Why I'm giving this example to answer your question, because you are asking that proficiency and being fluent.
yes, ma'am.
So there are different categories, variations. That's why in the beginning I said it's all subjective.
It's
But
also.
we can't make comparison with the people who are native, like native speakers.
Mm.
So I think if you are capable enough to express your thoughts, if you are capable enough to convey your message, um, I think it is all up to you whether you consider me I'm fluent or whether you consider me that I'm proficient. But yes, proficient is something of high degree. I don't
Yes,
consider
ma'am.
I have reached that level. Yes,
Okay.
I try to speak in this language and I do make so many errors, mistakes, like in especially this sometimes in pronunciation also, because that this also varies with the dialect. Like
Mm.
if I'm pronouncing some word and the same is repeated by you, definitely there is going to be difference, because this is not our native language, and our that's mother tongue influence that always comes up a number of times.
Yes, ma'am.
So proficiency is, of course, belongs to an upper level.
Upper
Like
level.
if I'm there, I'm at the moment talking to you, I don't consider myself as a proficient person in this language.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Fine, ma'am. So, second question, ma'am. How do you keep improving your English even after reaching this advanced level, ma'am?
No, sorry, advanced level
Yes,
mean
ma'am.
advanced in what sense?
Because you are already in advanced level, ma'am. You know many things, and I have watched all your videos, most of your videos. I consider you are in advanced level. So, are you still improving your skill, ma'am? So, what type of activities are you doing for that?
Actually, to begin with, I will counter your question. Not, it's not the question. The way you feel that I have reached a certain level, which you, as in your words, it is of belongs to advanced level. I don't consider myself as a learner of advanced level. One thing. Another, again, I will go back to my previous part of the that reply. It's all subjective. I don't know. Like at this very moment, when you are comparing, you are saying I belong to an advanced level learner. Might be you are comparing with me with someone who you might be thinking is just low to me. That's why you consider as compared to that I belong to an advanced level.
By
But
using
Lakshmi,
by seeing your words, by phrasing your sentence formation, the
uh,
polite way, the pace, articulation, everything, ma'am. It looks like an advanced level speaker.
I will take it as a compliment.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much for your words. But I feel language is something, especially the language English at this very moment. I'm going to emphasize on this language only, because we are not at the moment talking about the regional languages of any country, not of India. Why English? Because it has become a global language. We all are quite familiar with it, and everybody, when you will ask anything related to it, the first thing that will pop up, that a person would say it's a global language. Okay. And because this is a language which is very much in demand at the moment for a number of reasons, because if you want to grow in some field, the or most of the contents they are available in this language. until or unless you are familiar with the language, you can't acquaint yourself with all those things, because now everything is available with just one click,
Yes,
finger
ma'am.
click. You just click it, and because of this Google Baba, or now Chat GPT is at the top. You can learn everything, every language, every skill. Like this English being in demand, it's evolving every second moment.
Okay, ma'am.
I feel whatever level you reach, you learn this language, you can never say, I have approached crescendo. Because by
Okay.
the time, like today, you set some milestone, by the time you reach there, it would have crossed again
Mm.
so much. It has gone, would have gone far away.
Huawei.
So on daily basis, so many new words, and because of this uh, generation Z, many new words. Every day they are forming new words, and they use it in such a repetitive manner that ultimately it starts coming up with the meaning, and so many new such kind of words they are incorporated in this language on daily basis. So it is a constantly evolving language.
Mm.
Now, your answer to your question, if you believe that I have reached or come up to the certain level, Lakshmi, I would like to say I have been a person, kind of person, and still to some extent I'm still the same, who has always been thinking of that learning English is not my cup of tea.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, reasons could be so many. Like it also matters the kind of background you are coming from. You know, if somebody is coming from humble family, and in my family, I'm the eldest in my family. So, I mean, eldest in the family, there was no one to like look upon someone. Like there was no one to guide me over there. Even my parents were not that much educated. My mom was just a government school teacher in a primary school. But sometimes some child is born with a lust. The situation, whatever the person is born with, the child is born with, or the environment sometimes poke at you in such a way that you become a rebellion from the inner core. But
Mm.
because situations were not favorable, I could never come up that way. Now I
Mm.
think this is the moment, and so thing is, I could never speak in this language, and in spite of having so many degrees in my credit, I had always been having that feeling. I'm lacking in this sphere. There were two choices for me. Either I should have been satisfied, content with whatever the God has blessed me with, everything, good education, good mean number of degrees, higher degrees. I have been to got the opportunities to go abroad to present my research papers. I was funded by the government also to present my paper. I went to US. Then I have been a teacher, a professor in the college for so many years. Then the situation took a turn from one side of the table. I moved to the other side also. So I have been bestowed with all the, you can say, best of the world. If somebody would see me from a distance. So that was one choice. God has blessed me with everything, so I should be satisfied. And I could have just kind of having that. Come up with the temperament, chill maro. Okay,
Mm.
one should be of having that temperament. But I think if as a teacher, like you have been a teacher, we always try to advise the students, or we guide them, we counsel them that one should be contented with whatever you have. You
Mm.
should keep on trying for your best, but one should have that this word satisfaction in life. That is also very important to lead a peaceful life.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
I don't know whether I should take it. I is Fortunately or unfortunately, I have never been satisfied. Satisfied with whatever I am blessed with, but so far as this lacuna, lacking something, that feeling of lacking something is concerned, I was. not agree with it. Like, no, it can't be done. But at the same time, taking this kind of decision when you have attained certain status, when thousands of students around you or people around you, they are familiar with your position, and from inner somewhere you are scared of your position also. Position in the sense, till something is hidden, it's all goody goody. But the moment things start coming up with your some flaws or errors, sometimes you are scared of that, might be it might like jeopardize my image, it might tarnish my that goody goody image. But no, I that way, at that very moment I was content with whatever I had, whatever I had me. Okay, I have enjoyed everything. I have enjoyed the status, and my students, they adored me a lot when I was a teacher. So I have tasted that thing also, being a good, passionate teacher. And as an administrator, also, I try to justify my position till it was in my hands. But you know, Lakshmi, once you reach at the hierarchy of certain level, there is always someone at the top who always keeps on poking. Not it's up to you whether you are done with the situation and you keep on saying yes, sir, yes, ma'am, yes. I'm not that kind of person. The moment I realized that, because though I became the head of the institution, from the inner core, teacher is a teacher and the teacher stays as a teacher. Though whatever I'm doing at the moment, I am a teacher. The moment I got to know you have been a teacher, so that at that very moment, I was on cloud nine. I'm going to meet someone who is like me. Okay. But I don't make much compromises, not at whatever be the cost. So far as your ethics are concerned, your principles are concerned. At some point in time, someone, my dear one, he blessed me, or in the form of best wishes when I moved from one side of the table to another. Kawaljeet tried to be a principal of principles, and I made that phrase my life motto: be the principle of principles. And at certain point in time, when I just went down that memory lane, I saw I have done so much as a teacher, as an administrator. But now I feel, if as a head of the institution, I am not in a position, or I find my hands are tied up, that I can't provide my faculty members that
Hmm.
freedom which they
Hmm.
deserve, a teacher. And if I can't provide that kind of infrastructure or the environment to my students, which is the need of the hour, because we are now competing at the global level. So then I took up the decision, no more compromises in life. Even though I was, people criticized me that you have taken a decision to quit the job and you are already taking a huge amount as a salary. Though I completed somehow by dragging myself that period, but I took up then sabbatical from my job. I applied for leave for more than a year. I have been on leave, and I started working on something else. Now it's my turn to pay back something to the society, and it was to create jobs for the youth who are not
Hmm.
educated. And because there is no much scope for the educated stuff, if they come to the colleges for the post of a lecturer, they are underpaid. And even then there is so much of competition. And what about those who are not privileged one, who couldn't attain or get so much of education in their life? If the educated people, they are underpaid, you just think of the people who couldn't reach to the even higher secondary level, or who couldn't see the face of the colleges even. So that was there. Now coming back to this English, I have never let, you can say, my desire to settle down or settle with low scores, like never
Hmm.
leaving it at the back seat. So
Oh.
I took these two things parallel, because I was to grow. Again, I don't know how many, you can say, years in life is something which I shouldn't say. Productive years, I must say. Productive part of the life is left. You don't know. But I don't want to die with the regret that this is one curriculum where I couldn't work out. So I took both the things together. I was already working on my skills, language learning, because that has always been on my card for the reasons I couldn't speak well and when I was in the college, when I was in the university. And maybe I could have done a bit better, but I didn't give it a try, already having that kind of complex inside mind. So, Lakshmi, I feel when you live every moment all by yourself, on your own, I think you become your own tutor.
Mm.
Your circumstances, they all start teaching you. You don't realize that how far you have come from. Like, you started your journey from somewhere, and like I have reached over here. I don't know how this thing happened, but it was, and I was not doing something consciously. It was, I made it as a routine. Like, whenever I was working or I was driving, my these postings have been to far off places for the last 10 years. So whenever I was driving, I used to I started conversing with myself. Then, of course, I'm in a practice of listening to some famous personalities, not because that I get the opportunity to learn. Of course, I come across the good phrases, and then I note down that, okay, I'm making mistake when I use this. When I pronounce this word or preposition, I was using in a wrongful manner. But at the same time, they give you life lessons. And
Mm.
these lessons help you to grow. May it
Okay.
be indirectly they contribute in improving my this language as well. So this is all you can say. I think could be the answer to your question, because I actually don't know how from where I started. Yeah, started from scratch. I was nothing. I didn't dare to speak up, but then I took up the decision. When I came up at that level, now nothing can hamper my image.
Mm.
Nobody's, rather, people may take it in a positive sense. I may become inspiration for my students, for my peer mates, or everybody who knows me. And I gathered that courage, and I think then there was no looking back.
No looking back. Fine, ma'am. So wonderful, ma'am. So, some super explanation. And see, one should think of yourself, ma'am, because you have just dropped everything one side and you have taken another career, right, ma'am? Which is
Hmm.
just opposite to it. So
Yeah.
it's really wonderful, and you have that courage, that faith on you, right, ma'am? Because actually, I am nothing to say something about you because everyone knows, most of us, we know about you, and we know the what you have done so far. So it's really
Hmm.
amazing to know everything from you especially, ma'am. I really feel great to have all these words from you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Thank you for your kind
Okay.
words,
Yes,
encouraging words.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So shall I go to next
Yeah,
question, ma'am?
yes, sure,
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
sure.
Like when it comes to English, ma'am, which advanced habits or which habits would you prefer, would you suggest for the young learners, ma'am, to improve their English?
Um, Nothing like to come up to advanced level. First, you try to be a confident speaker,
Yes, ma'am. But
and
it's
confidence comes with experience.
ma'am,
This is my version.
yes, ma'am, we can reach intermediate level so fastly, from basic to intermediate. But we're shifting from intermediate to advanced level or to inculcate some new words, some advanced vocabulary in our speech, we need struggle. We are even struggling in that place, ma'am. So, is there any habit to make us feel confident, use some advanced vocabulary? Habit like it will not come within a day or two,
Hmm.
be ready
Hmm.
to do that habit for at least 6 months. So, could you suggest some habits, ma'am, so that they can attain that level?
Lakshmi, you
Like
see, for me,
one more thing, ma'am,
I,
like reading
yeah,
newspaper
sorry.
or listening to
Hmm.
podcast or doing
Hmm.
shadowing, this kind of techniques. Yes, ma'am.
I got your point. I got your point. Um, I haven't done anything consciously, but slowly and gradually, like automatically, the things start coming in your mind that what else I can do. I also started with newspapers and advocated all the time. Just go through the headlines at least. If you are not
Okay,
much
ma'am.
into reading an English newspaper, pick up any newspaper of your city or area, whatever is available to you. Just go through the main headlines because
Mm.
there are different classes or categories of news. It all depends upon your temperament, your taste also. Like
Okay.
what kind of news you prefer
Mm.
to go through. Like I'm not into sports. I don't like reading news related to sports. But there
Okay.
could be some taste of yours. So I started with that also. And what I would do, I started jotting down those phrases.
Mm. Okay.
Complete line. Phrases mean complete line. Suppose not only one word. That so that you get the crux of the
Mm.
that situation or that expression which was there. One thing I started with that, and that has helped me a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Another thing, I used to listen to the advanced, as per your words, advanced
Yes,
level
ma'am.
learners,
Okay.
Indian learners. There are so many persons, YouTubers onto this platform who speak very well. So that I don't find the problem of this accent, because
Okay.
in the beginning that is very important. If
Mm.
from day one you start listening to some European British accent or American accent, there is a possibility that more than 50% of the stuff that is not going down to your brain. So better you begin with that.
Mm.
But the person should speak, be of that level who speaks well without making errors. And when somebody is making errors, when I'm talking to you, wherever I make the errors, immediately that clicks up in my mind. Though I speak with such a flow, sometimes it goes unnoticed because your conviction matters a lot. Sometimes you say something in such a manner that the other, either it is unnoticed or the person deliberately ignores it, hardly matters.
Okay, ma'am.
Recently, what I have started is listening to the podcast. I have
Okay, ma'am.
already been doing this practice, but because of my work, I took a sabbatical from everything, from my job, from my language learning practice, from my YouTube also. I
Mm.
didn't do anything for a year, more than a year. But now, when I'm back on this track, I listen. I always prefer, because when you listen to them, as already I narrated this thing to you, because they are so perfect in their communication, in their conversation, that they are so proficient in annotations. And when
Okay.
you focus on the annotations, then you get to know the actual uses of that particular word. And of
Okay.
course, you come across so many advanced level words. Because crux, you immediately understand that this is the meaning. But the word was not new to, word was not, you are not, you were might be familiar with the word, but you were not
Using
practicing
it.
it, you are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
using it. But now you have listened it and it sounds so perfect,
Yes.
perfectly matching to situation. I immediately jot that down. Like, still I'm having a diary with me. Whenever
Oh.
I'm getting some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I listen to, like, Priyanka Chopra is my favorite.
Mm.
So she gives very good life lessons and she speaks this language very well. And
Okay,
one
ma'am.
important thing which I have noted, like we people who are on the in the learning phase, whenever we are conversing or trying to say something, we make longer sentences because we are in
Mm.
the process of learning. Longer
Mm.
in the sense, grammatically, every word should fit in that sentence so that my meaning is clear.
Okay, ma'am.
When you listen to these people, they cut down so many words. Like, instead of using so many words, they just come up to one level.
Mm.
At this very moment, I immediately can't give the example because I was not
Yes,
prepared
ma'am.
for that. But
Yes.
yes, if you are using that much longer sentence, they would complete the same thing in this
Yes.
cruxful manner. So that is the beauty of listening to them. I think that also shifts your like your learning from
Mm.
intermediate to advanced level.
Advance the vocabulary,
Yes.
ma'am. If we need to cut short our sentence, we need to know the accurate vocabulary.
Perfect vocabulary, yes, yes, which is conveying multiple meanings
Yes, ma'am.
in the sentence, yes.
Yes,
So many
and
things are conveyed with just the uses of one or two words.
words. Yes, the phrasal
Yes,
verbs, vocabulary.
yes.
By using that,
Uh,
the apt word, we can cut short our sentence.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, could you please suggest some of the podcasts, my famous podcasts, to improve some fluency? Like you said, that you have mentioned already, ma'am, like Priyanka Chopra's ma'am video podcast. Could you suggest some other also, ma'am?
At the moment, because frankly speaking, I stay very busy. Like this, by
Yes.
the time this conversation is going to be over, I have to rush to my work because that is
Okay.
also full-time job, and I run my cafeteria, which is open 24/7. This is not a
Oh,
justification. I'm just giving you the example.
okay, ma'am.
I'm not after so many. I don't open every day a different podcast because once you start listening to someone, automatically the moment you open your YouTube, the
Ah,
similar notification
yes,
is there.
yes, ma'am.
So I just focus on, it's not that I don't want to, but
Mm.
because I don't have much time, like I'm the moment I'm going to start my car, take it
Yes.
out for my destination, in just a second I will spend on my phone, and I will bring my that
Yes.
system on media, and by default Priyanka Chopra will come at top. Whatever she is saying, I listen to her,
Uh,
irrespective of on what channel she is. I
okay.
am focused on Priyanka Chopra, so not any specific channel, YouTube channel, because
Okay.
her podcasts are available on so many channels.
Yes, ma'am.
My focus is I want to listen, and because I have started listening to her every day, my YouTube opens up with any XYZ podcast
Okay.
related to her. And at the moment,
The last
yes,
final and question, ma'am. Could
Ji,
you share
right.
some golden tips for me, ma'am, to improve further, to improve my English fluency, confidence, and everything?
I think you are underestimating you. You
Okay.
are already speaking very well. You are
Thank you,
already on
ma'am.
the right track, and because you now you have started your YouTube channel, and of course you are going to make these kinds of conversation videos as well. Now, when you were asking me something and I was giving you the reply, and it was as per your version, I was using some good words or vocabulary which I didn't do in consciously. It was just happening.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I think automatically that you start imbibing those words.
Mm.
Automatically, this things start flowing from one side to another. They travel this way. So that way, if I say, Lakshmi, you don't need to do anything extra. Whatever you are doing, whether making this kind of video, single or two in a day, even one is enough. I think for a learner, if you have a lust to learn, you can learn from anyone, from anything,
Okay, ma'am.
whatever will come your way.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. That's all my questions, ma'am. Do you have anything to ask, ma'am? You can
You?
proceed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's all my questions, ma'am. I have prepared some five questions and I have asked everything.
Okay. But now we have a limitation on
Yes,
Zoom now. If
yes, ma'am.
you have a pro Zoom with you, then there is no issue. But otherwise, it's going to, everything going to shut down in a few seconds. I
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
it's
5 minutes.
already.
We have 5 minutes.
Uh,
5 minutes.
Otherwise, there is so much which I would like to know about you. I was so much delighted at the moment I got that email, received your email. And I love to connect with people who live at far off places,
Oh,
because ultimately we all are human beings. And in life, we don't get the opportunities to go to all those places. This is the
places.
only way when we connect with people and we find everybody so lovable, so friendly, so nice. I don't know from where this hatred word or some competition word has come up. I don't know. Everybody proves so cooperative, like your smiley face at the moment, the way you welcomed me, and even every single word of your email. So I got fascinated by everything. Yes, of
Oh,
course, we will meet. I will try to
yes, ma'am.
make some this kind of Zoom meeting. I will plan that also. So there I would like to know more about you because
Yes,
two,
ma'am.
3 minutes are not enough to
Yes.
explore anything which is
Yes.
lying in your bucket or at your end.
Yes, yes, of course, ma'am.
Yes.
And I really thank you for your wonderful time, ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. I know you are fully occupied. You have busy schedule, even though you allocated time, and you are just You joined at 11 o'clock, ma'am. I was thinking, okay, let me start, and you are already there. I really felt very shocking, ma'am. I really thank you for that. Even you did not waste even a single second, I could say.
No.
I was waiting
Uh,
for 10:59 to 11. As soon as 11 o'clock, I joined, and you were there already.
I gave you the reason why
Yes, yes.
I try to be so punctual.
Yes.
Sometimes I couldn't make it happen that way also, but because constantly I was reminding myself, Kavaljit, you are not
Yes.
going to give it a miss. It shouldn't be like that, that you forget and you rush to your work. Because this is the time when I rush to my work. So this was one of the reasons. And then immediately I noticed that you have again sent me a
Yes,
reminder.
ma'am. 10 minutes before.
So
Yes.
that way you really occupied a very special place in my heart, in my
Oh, thank
mind,
you, ma'am.
that I deserve, she deserved that I should be there well on time.
Oh, super, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you,
Okay.
dear. Thank you. You
Thank
really
you, ma'am.
made my day, and I
Okay.
really enjoyed talking to you. I'm not saying it for the sake of saying, because you have given me the opportunity, and I got the moment to see somebody who is staying so far of my place. And the moment we were chatting with each other, we could resonate that we all are similar. You are like me, I'm like you. So that is the thing I love the most.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to connect with you again, ma'am, after 2 or 3 months. Please give me
Anytime.
your. Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank you,
much, ma'am.
dear.
Thank you.
Have a nice day ahead, Lakshmi, and
Yes,
stay
ma'am.
blessed always.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Thank
wishes.
you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.